Listen Kilo, impilo ayilindanga wena. Impilo iyaqhubeka ngaphandle kwemvumo yakho. Naku mina ngikufundile empilweni. Do not chase i-perfection, kodwa chase i-purpose. Khuluma iqiniso ngaleso sonke isikhathi, ngisho nalapho izwi lakho lizamazama khona. Yiba nomusa, kakhulukazi uma impilo iba nzima. Love deeply, but do not get lost in the process. Fail fast, learn faster. And never ever let fear decide your future, my boy. Yenza into ezobhalwa, not for mina, kodwa for wena. Because one day you'll be the one telling stories, and make sure they are worth telling. So ngihambe uyodlala mfana.